Multilogin is a reliable tool for managing multiple accounts without cross-linking or bans. In this demo, we'll create browser profiles using the built-in Russian proxies. Open your workspace. Multilogin's beginner-friendly interface helps you view and organize your profiles easily. Click Create to start a new browser profile. Give your profile a clear and consistent name. Use tags and notes for structure. They help you keep track of regions, clients, or account purposes. Choose the Startup tab, Browser Core, Storage Type, and OS. Mobile profile emulation is available if you need a mobile-first setup. Go to the Proxy tab. Select Residential or Mobile. Multilogin includes built-in access to 30M+ IPs across 150+ countries, including Russia. Choose your Russian proxy location, country, region, or even city level, depending on your targeting needs. If required, pick a specific Russian ISP for more realistic network conditions. Multilogin lets you adjust over 55 fingerprint parameters, giving each profile a natural, unique browsing environment. If you plan to create more Russian profiles, save this setup as a template for quick scaling. Click Create to finalize your new browser profile. Your Russian proxy profile is ready to launch. If you frequently use Russian proxies, you can save these settings as a reusable proxy template. Click Create to add a new proxy template, just like a profile. Enter the proxy details, Russian location, proxy type, and protocol, exactly as before. Click Create to save the template. Your template is now available. Next time, apply it instantly through the Proxy tab. Let's launch your first profile. A verification window will appear. Check your IP, region, and browser environment, then log in or create accounts using your Russian proxy profile, with each session safely isolated. Thank you for watching. With Multilogin, you can easily manage multiple accounts using Russian proxies. Visit our website and YouTube channel for more guides.